Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Miss Lola, the Magic Wig Maker, and today is such an exciting day for me. This is my daughter Kiysha, who is also a hair replacement specialist and a master hairstylist. Today is my 65th birthday. Woo! It is a big moment in my life. I've never had anyone do a hair replacement technique for me before. So my daughter is going to do that for me today, as well as give me a beauty makeover. So we're like reversing roles. And Kiysha is going to be stopping by from time to time with some of her master hairstyles. Say hi, sweetie.
Hi.
Isn't she gorgeous? This is my baby, and I am so honored that she is giving me this birthday present today. Make sure you stay tuned. This is going to be fun. I am so excited.
Me too. Yeah.
Dryer for a few minutes and then I'll be back with you. We'll be back with you, right, baby?
We'll be back.
Okay. I feel so pampered.
She fell asleep, y'all.
I did. It felt so good. I fell asleep. So if you all saw me sleeping, it's because her touch is so soothing. And I just fell asleep. But now I'm awake. This is gorgeous. I'm loving it. Something so different I've never had before. Be wearing this for a while.
And it's cool, it's not too hot.
It's not hot at all. I'm loving it. Glad to have me a short style bag. How is it gonna survive with me going out there when I'm getting ready to do my yard work? It'll still be okay, baby?
Just pin it. I would just pin it up, pin it to the side.
Okay, okay,
Pin
okay.
it front.
But I don't have to worry about
So it won't be on your
it won't be
forehead.
coming off, right?
No,
Because it feels like it's really secure.
no, it ain't coming out.
Because I'm mowing the lawn tomorrow. I gotta mow the lawn tomorrow morning. But me, but now my baby has done an excellent job. You can't tell me nothing. Woo. I look young. Now that's beautiful. That's exactly what I want. Oh, oh, I love it. It reminds me of Tamron Hall. Oh, I wish I did look as beautiful as her, but I love that. Oh, baby, I love that so much. It's exactly what I wanted. I love this. I really do. This is exactly what I wanted, Key. Oh my goodness, that's beautiful. Oh my goodness. And everybody, how do you like my new look that my daughter, the master hairstylist, makeup artist, hair replacement specialist, did for her mom on her 65th birthday? Thank you, baby. Oh. Thank you so much for joining me on this special occasion with my baby. And if you've not subscribed already, I know you want to right now, because look who's going to be coming to my channel, this talented artist. I thank you so much. We thank you so much for joining us. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and most of all, hit that notification bell so you'll always know when we're working our magic. Take care, everybody. We'll see you again real soon. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
That was nice.